you can check who others are on your viewers on your Facebook story. Now when you upload a Facebook story, now let's just see an example. Right here I've uploaded a story, but there are no views, so I'll show you an example from the web. So right here you can see there are 3 viewers for this particular story, and there under the viewers it says others too. Now what this means is there are more viewers that you cannot know who they are. So in this, what you can do to fix this is first open up your Facebook and go to the menu section. Then go to your settings. Now under settings, scroll down till you find the stories option. It's under audience and visibility. Under story, go to story privacy. Now this will help you control who can see your story. Now under there, make sure that it's not on public. Now if it's on public, anyone on your Facebook or Messenger will be able to see your stories. Now that means people other than your friends, other than your family members, and other than your friend list will be able to see your story. So make sure that you keep it on your friends, or make it custom and choose your audience. So that is pretty much it. If you keep it on friends and you customize your story viewers list, you won't have the problem of the others in your story. That is pretty much it, guys. That is how you fix this. I hope you found this video helpful, and take care. Bye bye.